Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rust repair kit is probably one of the most sought-after automotive repair solutions for car owners, especially those living in areas with harsh winters or high humidity, as rust can significantly compromise your vehicle's structural integrity and even lead to costly repairs down the line. This video will review the top-rated products to help you choose the best kit for your needs and skill level, ensuring you get the job done right and extend the life of your vehicle. Number 5. Bondo Fiberglass Repair Kit. Don't worry. This easy-to-use kit makes repairing damage to your car, boat, or other items a breeze. It's the perfect solution for DIY enthusiasts. It creates a completely waterproof seal, ensuring your repairs are durable and long-lasting. Say goodbye to leaks and water damage. It's tough enough for concrete, wood, fiberglass, and metal. This versatile formula can handle almost any repair job you throw at it. It sands easily in under 2 hours, so you can quickly finish your project and get back to enjoying your things. No more waiting around for days. It comes with everything you need: resin, hardener, spreader, cloth, mixing stick, and tray. Just open the box and get started. This kit makes professional-looking repairs simple and straightforward. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to use. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need for a simple repair. The waterproof seal ensures long-lasting results. If you need a quick, easy fix for small holes and scratches on various surfaces, this is perfect for you. Number 4. Raptor 15-Stop Rust Kit. It's a 3-step system that permanently stops rust. It creates a tough, non-porous surface protecting metal from water, chemicals, and more. Plus, it's been rigorously tested to withstand extreme conditions. This cost-effective kit has everything you need for amazing results. It includes a cleaner degreaser, metal prep, and a rust-preventive coating for a lasting finish. First, clean the surface with the degreaser. Then, apply the metal prep to the bare or rusted metal. Finally, apply 2 coats of the rust-preventive coating, letting the first coat dry slightly before applying the second. It's perfect for restoring small parts and projects like subframes, axles, or brake shields. Preventing rust is key to preserving your vehicle's appearance and preventing further damage. At Raptor 15, we're dedicated to providing the ultimate in rust prevention. Trusted by DIYers and professionals alike, we're committed to quality and excellent customer service. What we like. This kit offers a 3-step process for complete rust prevention. It creates a tough, non-porous barrier against corrosion. If you're looking for a lasting solution to protect metal from rust and corrosion, this is your best bet. What people say. Smooth finish that defies rust over time. Easy to use and works great as long as you follow the directions. The paint goes on with a brush and self-levels as it dries for a smooth, durable finish. Number 3. Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit. It's the all-in-one solution for fixing damage to various surfaces. This kit makes repairs easy, whether you're a beginner or an expert. It's designed to last. Once applied, it permanently retains its shape, providing a lightweight yet durable solution for both indoor and outdoor use. This complete kit includes fiberglass resin, hardener, applicator brush, mixing cup, sticks, and plenty of fiberglass matting. You have all the tools for a professional-looking repair. The simple instructions guide you through each step, making the repair process straightforward for everyone. You'll get great results with minimal effort. It's from Raptor, a world leader in automotive refinishing. You can trust it to deliver a long-lasting, high-quality repair. What we like. It's an all-in-one solution for various repairs. The durable and weatherproof material ensures long-lasting results. If you need a strong, versatile repair kit for both indoor and outdoor use, this is ideal for you. What people say. Used on an M3 fiberglass fender that was cracked on the edge that supports the bumper. This stuff dried quick and is strong AF. Worked very well, easy to use, good instructions. This product works exactly as they say it will. Good quality, repair turned out great. Number 2. Bondo 00312 Body Repair Kit. It's easy to repair your car's dents and scratches with this complete kit. Everything you need is included for a professional-looking finish. This kit contains the original Bondo body filler, a cream hardener, a self-adhesive metal patch, and a spreader. You'll have all the tools for the job. It spreads easily and cures quickly, in just 20 minutes. Then, it's ready for sanding and painting. This is the same high-quality filler used by professional auto body shops for over 60 years. Get amazing results yourself. This kit provides all the materials you need, saving you money compared to going to a professional. Get the same great results at a fraction of the cost. For over 60 years, Bondo has been the trusted name in auto body repair. Get the job done right with Bondo. What we like. This kit is easy to use and cures quickly. It provides professional quality results for fixing dents and scratches. If you want a fast, effective solution for body repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. Used the product to repair some holes in my hollow core doors. It works great and patched the holes perfectly. The filler itself was a dream to work with. It spread easily and filled in all the dents and scratches on my car. And the best part? It dried quickly. Excellent body putty for repairing small damages. Easy to use and to apply. Number 1. 3M Bondo Rust Hole Repair Kit. This kit is your solution for repairing holes caused by rust. It's easy to use and provides a permanent fix. Once it's applied and cured, you can easily paint over it to match your vehicle's color. It provides a seamless, professional-looking repair. It creates a strong, lasting repair that won't shrink over time, ensuring long-lasting protection against further rust damage. The kit includes everything you need for a simple and effective repair. Follow the instructions for best results. This single kit is perfect for various small to medium-sized rust holes. It's a cost-effective solution for multiple repairs. Restore your vehicle's appearance and protect it from further damage with this comprehensive rust repair kit. Get yours today. What we like. It provides a paintable, permanent, and non-shrinking repair. This ensures a smooth, lasting finish. If you are looking for a high-quality, professional-grade rust repair, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Directions were easy to follow and there was plenty of product with some left over that I didn't even open. Filled a rust hole about the size of a silver dollar. The wire mesh included was a huge help. The kit was easy to use and the instructions were clear and concise. After using the kit, my car looks great and the rust is completely patched. The instructions were easy to follow, and all of the products needed were included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.